Hello, good morning students. Today my video of class 7 mathematics. Today we have to learn how to multiply a binomial with another binomial. So here we will start exercise 6 students. Here the very first question, the instruction is given here. Find each of the following products. Each of the following products. Okay friends, now the first question is here. 5x plus 7 that we have to multiply with 3x plus 4. We have to, both are the binomials. This one is also binomial and this one is also binomial. Now what we have to multiply? We have to multiply 5x plus 7 with 3x plus 4. Look here student, first in this such type of multiplication, first we multiply 5x with both of the terms here, means with 3x plus 4. Okay, first we multiply 5x with both of the terms here, then we multiply 7 of both of the terms. Means with the first term of this binomial we multiply the whole binomial, and then with the second term of this binomial we multiply the whole binomial. Now multiply here. 5 3 the 15 and x into x, x square. 5 4 the 20 and x. 7 3 the 21 x and 7 4 the 28. Continuing here, 15 x square, 20 and 21 41 x plus 28. Okay friends, now look at here question number second. This is related to subtraction also. In question number 2, 4x minus 3 that we have to multiply with 2x plus 5. Using the same process, first we multiply the first term of this binomial with the whole second binomial, means 4x we have to multiply with 2x plus 5, and then minus 3 we have to multiply with 2x plus 5. 4 2 the 8, x into x, x square. 4 5 the 20x and 3 2 the 6x. Minus plus minus 3 5 the 15 here. Now 8x square, 20 minus 6 what? 14x minus 15. That's our answer. Now look at question student here. One question that is related to decimal. Question number 8. In question number 8 it is given that 0.8x minus 0.5y that we have to multiply with 1.5x minus 3y. 0.8x minus 0.5y we have to multiply with 1.5x minus 3y. Now 0.8x we have to multiply with 1.5x minus 3y. Okay, first we have to multiply 0.8x with 1.5x minus 3y. Then we have to multiply 0.5y with 1.5x minus 3y. Okay students, now first leave the decimal here. 15 8 the 120. Right here 120, x into x, x square. Now after decimal here 1 digit and after decimal here also 1 digit. So 1 and 1, 2 digits. So you have to put the decimal after here 2 digits. Now multiply the terms. 8 3 are 24 plus minus minus here. Now keep after decimal how many digits are here? 1 digit. So we have to put 1 digit here. And x into y, xy. Again we have to multiply these two terms. Minus plus minus again here. 15 5 is 75. Now after decimal how many digits here? 1. And after decimal how many digits are here? 1. 1 2 digits. So we have to put the decimal here and multiply the terms x into y, xy. Now minus minus plus and 5 3 are 15. Now after decimal how many digits are here? 1 digit. And y into y, y square. Okay friends? Now 1.2x square. Now we have to add the terms. So when we put 0 here for adding, make it easy. So 3.15 xy plus 1.5 y square. That is the product. That is the product when we multiply 0.8x minus 0.5y with 1.5x minus 3y. Okay, students? Now, looking the next question that is related to fraction. But before we have to clean it. Now look at question, students. Question number 9 here. In question number 9, it is given that 1 by 5x plus 2y that we have to multiply with 2 by 3x minus y. Okay, students? 1.5x plus 2y we have to multiply by 2 by 3x minus y. For that, first we have to multiply 1 by 5x with each of the term of this binomial, 2 by 3x and minus y. Then we have to multiply 2y with each of the terms of this binomial, 2 by 3x minus y. Now, 2 1 ja 2 and 5 3 ja here, students, 15. Now x into x, what? X square. Again here plus minus 1 by 5 and that is xy. Now plus here 2 2 ja 4 and by 3 xy. Plus minus here 2y into y, 2y square. Now we have to solve these two terms here. 2 by 15 x square. Now take the LCM of 5 and 3 here. The LCM will be 15 here. Give a sign of plus here. 5 3 are 15. That is minus 3xy. 3 5 are 15. 4 5 are 20xy minus 2y square. Okay, friends. Now 2 by 15 x square and subtract the terms here. 20 minus 3, that is 17 by 15 xy minus 2y square. 2 by 15 x square plus 17 by 15 xy minus 2y square. That is the product. Okay. Look on more question, students. Question number 11 here. Okay. In question number 11, student, it is given that 3 by 4a plus 2 by 3b that we have to multiply with 4a plus 3b. Okay, students? 3 by 4a plus 2 by 3b we have to multiply with 4a plus 3b. Now look here, students. Again here, first we have to multiply 3 by 4a with both of the terms, 4a plus 3b. Okay. Then we have to multiply 2 by 3b with both of the terms, 4a plus 3b. Okay, friends. First we have to do here? First we have to multiply 3 by 4a with both of the terms, 4a and 3b. Then we have to multiply 2 by 3b with both of the terms, 4a plus 3b. Now continuing here, 3 4 ja, just a minute, 3 by 4a into 4a. Okay, student? And then 3 by 4a into 3b. Okay, students? Now here 2 by 3b into 4a and plus again here 2 by 3b into 3b. Okay, students? Now here we are reducing the terms. 4 and 4, both 4 reduce each other. Again 3 and 3, both 3 reduce each other. Okay, students? Now continuing here, 3a into a, what? 3a square. And here 3 3 ja 9 by 4 ab. Now here 4 2 ja 8 by 3 ab, and here 2 b into b, what? b square. Continue here, students. 3a square, both are the similar terms. So take the LCM here. The LCM will be 12. 4 3 ja 12, 9 3 ja 27 ab. and 3 4 are 12, so 8 4 are 32 AB. Okay students, plus 2B square. Now doing here 3A square and 37 and 20, 32 and 27, that is 59 by 12 AB plus 2B square. That is the product. Okay students, so I hope with the help of this video you can solve from question number 1 to 26. Okay, the rest of the question that is belongs to simplification we will discuss in our next video. Thank you students.